Good evening and welcome to 13 News Weekend Edition. I'm Lily Bradley. Thanks for joining us this evening. As of now, 12 positive cases of the novel coronavirus have emerged in the Mountain State. West Virginia Governor Jim Justice is now asking the public for their help in avoiding a statewide shutdown. 13 News reporter Haley Kosick joins us live from the state capitol on what the governor says residents must do to help. Haley?
Lily, Governor Jim Justice says to avoid a statewide shutdown like what states California, New York, and Illinois are currently experiencing starts with how we act and how we act moving forward. Now, he also says that people are not taking this pandemic seriously and they need to start to.
What's going on in New York? And I hate to alarm you in any way, shape, form, or fashion, but we've got to move, and we've got to move right now to save additional lives.
West Virginia has completed 397 tests total. 12 of those tested positive in Jackson, Jefferson, Kanawha, Putnam, Marshall, Mercer, Monongalia, and Tucker counties.
This is a time in which we, by doing the right things today, can change the future for the people of our state, for the future of our state, and for our country and our world.
Justice says only West Virginians can stop a much-feared statewide shutdown.
The things that we've done so far and we've put in place are working. They really are. We should be very, very proud of the fact that a few days back, we declared a state of emergency.
Since then, the state has canceled sporting events, closed schools, restaurants, bars, beauty salons, gyms, and other recreational facilities, as well as state parks. Now, he is asking West Virginians to bear down and buckle up to their senses that this is very real and to be more aggressive in their daily life choices.
At the end of the day, you know, I can never tell you enough about just how insignificant the economics are compared to just the reality, and it's just this. If we don't act, and we don't act as strongly as possible right now, we're going to lose lives and lots of lives.
Now, Governor Jim Justice says that we must remain compassionate and caring through this time, especially for our elders and those with other health complications. Right now, I'm Haley Kosick reporting at the state capitol. 13 News, working for you.
Haley, thanks. Now, of those 12 confirmed positive cases, one is from Kanawha County, another is from Putnam County. According to the West Virginia Department of Health and Human Resources, the case from Putnam County was originally mislabeled as a second case from Kanawha County. According to Kanawha County officials, the Putnam County resident who has tested positive was an employee at the Kanawha County Courthouse. The health department has ordered that the courthouse be closed to the public immediately. The individual is currently hospitalized at CAMC and, according to the Kanawha County Commission, is in their 40s and recently traveled out of state. Co-workers have been notified and have been asked to stay home for 2 weeks.
The order does not prohibit entry it prohibits entry of the building except for emergency matters of the court, emergency maintenance, and other necessary matters with the permission of the chief health officer and the sheriff's department.
Now, also at that press conference, Kanawha County commissioners and Charleston Mayor Amy Goodwin joining forces to ask that state health labs be kept open 24/7. According to city officials, right now the lab is staffed from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. with limited hours on the weekend.
There are family members waiting for those results. And it is our job. We were elected to make sure, not to pat each other on the back or pick at other people, but to make sure that our #1 concern is you and your safety. I promise you, that is all that this is about.
Goodwin and the Kanawha County commissioners have sent their request via letter to Cabinet Secretary Bill Crouch, as well as DHHR's Dr. Kathy Slemp.